Welcome to the alphabet. In this lesson, we will learn the French alphabet and how to recognize some simple words. The French alphabet is made up of 26 letters. Here are the first 10 letters and how they sound. Listen and repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Here are the next 10 letters. As you will hear, some letters are the same in French and in English. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And here are the 6 last letters. The sound for U doesn't exist in English, so listen to it very carefully. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's just come back to the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, Y. Now let's hear the whole alphabet. Feel free to listen and to repeat as many times as you want. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In this lesson, you have learned the alphabet. Welcome to the alphabet, part 1. In this lesson, we will learn the alphabet in French from A to I. L'alphabet. A, avion. B, balai. C, cadeau. D, dauphin. E, étoile. F, fraise. G, glace. H, hôtel. I, île. In this lesson, you learned the alphabet in French from A to I. Welcome to the alphabet, part 2. In this lesson, we will learn the alphabet in French from J to O. L'alphabet. G, jambe. K, koala. L, lampe. M, maïs. N, nid. O, os. In this lesson, you learned the alphabet in French from J to O. Welcome to the alphabet, part 3. In this lesson, we will learn the alphabet in French from P to Z. L'alphabet. P, papillon. Q, quille. R, rose. S, soleil. T, télévision. U, usine. V, veste. W, wagon. X, xylophone. Y, yo-yo. Z, zéro. In this lesson, you learned the alphabet in French from P to Z.